Hello again. Now we are with the next parser. It's on Reuters, Reuters News, and like with Design Boom, we create complete new books with the actual news with it, the news of the day, for example. So go for documentation here with Reuters. We are here. This is, don't need that. How to use it. Discussion. There's a tutorial which discusses it, how to develop. So, and it's very simple. Simply go here and create a new document. Create MTP book, create Reuters. So this means you should not do it inside your working environment, your notebook, but here. So now we have the book name, and we say Reuters of 1811-14a, and we want to have to be fast. We want to have 6 news. So now we have to connect to Twitter to get the recent news. You need to have an authorization for that. Not complicated. So this needs to be done once, and then do it again. There are some errors. I do not suppress them, but it doesn't matter too much. All this is not perfect, of course not. Just to show that these things are working pretty simple. So it's overseeable to have that. So this can be done, and here we are with our Reuters news. And you see it again, they have the same scheme. You can copy this. Now you go here for the next chapters, Reuters. So then go here, copy this, and this needs to be subsection again, or take the whole text if you like, but that's it. Source of it. And Reuters is publishing around 160 to 200 news per day. So it's a good idea just to run this machine for 20 minutes overnight to get the latest news of the day. So here's the source. Now with ads, this is plain in your archive of things you're interested in. You can simply say this, I don't like it, or go here, look around, check. So, but later on, this is wrong format. That's it. So, of course, it's getting interesting if you have hundreds of them. But this is for the tutorial, and this is what I wanted to show you. We deleted it. Here. Here we are. Boom. If you want to open that, then you simply say MTP page create, as we showed in the first. Boom. Then you get a page, and you can put that on hierarchy subsection, and then you have an interactive boom, and then it's working like this. Now it's original, these things we discussed. Thanks for watching. See you again.